Hi guys.
Hi.
It's their turn.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Don't drive too fast, Jeremy.
Mike.
I think I have too many people on. It's a little boat.
Oh, you need to.
I need to take a couple of you off,
Okay.
Some of you.
and then we'll come back and we'll go again.
Yeah.
No, too heavy on the front.
Okay, kids, get off. I'm not an adult, man. I'm still
No,
a kid.
you.
I am still a kid.
It's not that far in the water.
Well, you see how many?
It's waterproof.
That's how many people I'm allowed on the boat. Hey,
I was saying that to my grandfather.
we can probably have 8.
Dami nila eh. Bawas lang, bawas.
We're gonna be right here.
Doble ako, pwede ako dyan. Dali ka,
And we'll come right back.
Ate Ben,
There's a lot of people.
Yeah, JR, come here. Wait ako, dali.
JR, Berlin, you can stay.
Yep, yun yan. Okay. Yep.
And we're gonna be right back.
2, 4.
And it's gonna go on the.
And Mike,
I take
Mike will come on because he knows how to grab the
No,
dog.
no.
Yeah, take it up.
Yeah. Who's going on the tube?
I'll need a life jacket.
Yeah, you can go, Mike.
One second.
Can you give Mike your life jacket?
Jeremy, can you catch us? Life jacket. Need some flip to Mike.
Uncle Jeremy, what's going anyway?
Pretty full right now.
That is cold. Go on the tube, Mikey.
Who's going tubing?
JR and Brian. JR and Brian. Yay. No, JR. Yeah, JR. JR.
I'll give him a good
I thought you were going to go first.
Say hi, JR first. JR. Say hi.
That's Mikey. Is it? Oh, right on.
Turn, Mikey.
Secondary.
Hold tight. Ingat kayo, JR. Ako din. Hold tight, Brian, JR. Hold tight.
JR. Say hi first.
Brian, go the other side. The
Yeah,
other one.
Brian.
That, no. Here. Yup.
Hi. Pwede pala marami dyan.
Brian. Oh, yan, Brian.
We'll be back. We'll give you another turn. Don't worry.
Bye.
Hey, if you guys want to go faster, go like this. If you want to slow down, go like that. If you want to stop, pat your head. Well, not you.
Hold on tight, JR.
Hold on. See ya.
Mga bata pa yun, yung gusto eh.
Oo.
Ate, sabay tayo ha.
Oh, sabi kayo mas
Ate
ano.
Tin, sabay tayo.
Hindi dapat si ano Ashley, Nico, ano sa si Mia tapos
Dapat parehong height.
dapat parehong height sa bigat.
Para pala.
Tama kami Tino, bagsak kami. 2 times.
Yan saka ano may light dyan.
Oo, hindi naman maano.
Kontra ka dyan, Chin. Yung gusto mo, Chin.
Oo.
Stream. Ate tayong up lang.
Wala na sila. Bye-bye.